trophy laphana. Then another trophy le sayiwina. There was this competition and East High Talent House. So we won position 1 with drama.
This initiative has already started to mold learners into the best possible individuals they can be. Makawa should reach the whole of South Africa, as students do not have the luxury of hearing from authors themselves.
Imakhawe ngingathanda kuyibona iba ne-center yayo la itori ihezela khona nala inga-performa khona iphinde inike i-platform lamanye ama-groups lavukako, because ngekubona iMachawe kuba khona labanye labafisa ukuthi they can start a group and then babe sebawaqala. So ngafisa kubona ukuthi iMachawe iwaside those groups.
No, iMachawe ngayithanda ukuthi ibe nayo one to start with, kube liqembu lelikhulako like and likhona kuba recognized within like for lo msebenzi laba wenako, and ngibafisela nje ukuthi abakhule nabo babe an established from community theatre to be an established art lokhu nje ethona. Yeah, kungabangagcini la sibusolo sisima community artists. We need to see them bakhula ukuthi nabo kwaba ngilokuthi ma role model alabanye.
Nesifiso sekuthi igcine yatiwa nationally and internationally. Ichubeke nema project la sustainable, ukuthi ama project ethu kungabi ngilama project laphelako. Nathi sikhone ukuthi siyo participate kuma festival afana nabo Grahamstown Arts Festival nalamanye ama festival bomakhufe la khona, sikhone nathi ku network nalamanye ama artists akulamanye ama province.
I'd love to see them go very far, and I would love them to reach out even more. I know they work around our community here in Kabokweni, but I would love them to go as far as, you know, the most rural areas in our country. And even if possible, if they went overseas to show the world what Makawe is all about and all the work, the good work they are doing for us.
Ngifuna kuyibona indzawo yayo, like a theater or a mini theater inema office ayo mhlambe at least ku 3 or 4 ma provinces, because we believe ukuthi funa expand le group. Then ibe ni timoti tayo, ibe like the production company lekhulu anyway, whereby stokhona producer lamanye ama groups esibona sasafufutha namanye ama plays lesibona ukuthi eshilate mhlambe promoter lapha lapha. Basically sifuna ukubona kwi umbrella anyway ku entertainment industry.
Bangapheli mandla kwangathi bangendi lapha kithi kuphela kulenzawo yakithi, bangahamba nakuletinye tindzawo ukuze bahlanganise lendzawo yakithi yateke nayo njengaletinye tindzawo, bafundzise nakuletinye tigodi, ngoba lento le yihle futhi iyatsandzeka emphakathini nasesiveni sonkana.